Hi, and welcome back to another video for Your Soul Evolution. My name is Erin, and I help people to evolve spiritually and to awaken to new perspectives. If you are someone who wants to make a big change in the world, this is going to be a great video for you because I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to make a huge impact. The first thing I want to remind you of is that we are all connected and we are all one. If you want to change the world, the most effective thing that you can do is to awaken all of yourself and raise your consciousness. There is a quote that I love, and it goes along the lines of this: if you want to change the world, awaken all of yourself. If you feel like this world is a terrible, dark place, then eliminate all that is terrible and dark about yourself. The greatest gift you can give this world is your self-transformation. It is only by raising the collective consciousness that we can truly help the world that we are all a part of. Do you know that just as you are creating your own reality, we are all creating a collective reality based on the things that we are giving our attention to and giving our focus to? The presidential election, sports teams, those are all part of thought structures that if you have a feeling about one or the other, anything that there's an emotional charge connected to, those are thought structures that if we feed into it one way or the other, we are adding to that collective consciousness. And that is also something that's in the book Reality Transurfing by Vadim Zeland. It is an understanding of pendulums, and that is what those thought structures are called, that we are all feeding based on the things that we are focused on, the things that we're giving our attention to. Once you become aware of those pendulums, you can then start to disengage from those and stop giving those kinds of things attention. And the more you do that and the more you become aware, those things lose their power over you. Because the job of a pendulum is to survive. It wants to feed off of your energy so that it can live and become stronger and stronger. So anytime we are able to become aware of that thought structure and stop feeding it our energy, then the collective as a whole can benefit. Any one person that stops feeding a pendulum, it's a huge win. Even one person can make a difference. The energy you put into the world will always be returned to you. If you are someone that really wants to make a difference and you feel like you are constantly putting out positive into the world, you're always doing nice things, you go out of your way to be kind to others, you go out of your way to spread love and compassion and peace, the universe will reflect that back to you. It may be through opportunities. You just are somewhere at the right time that opens up a whole new door for you that you never even dreamed of. You may get synchronicities through numbers. You may start seeing, 222 or 444 or 333 everywhere you go. Those are signs from the universe that you are on the right track and you are being heard, that you are making an impact. You are making a difference, even if sometimes you feel like you're not. The universe will reflect that back to you and give you confirmation. If you are truly living your authentic self, the universe is always going to validate you every step of the way. You just have to be open and aware and looking for those signs, and they can come in so many different ways. You can't just be focused on one way that it's going to come. It can come in so many different ways. It can come through other people. Somebody will say something that you know was for you, although they may not be talking about you. Something very important that you can do to make a difference is to let go of your past. Your past does not define you. Let go of past hurts, let go of past failures, let go of old behaviors and patterns that you have that don't serve you anymore. Let go and allow space for new energy and new things to come to you. Let go of lower emotions, limited beliefs, limited thinking. Realize you are so much more than you can even imagine. We are infinite beings having a temporary human experience. You can do and have anything that you want to if you intend and make the decision to do so. As you let go and allow, the universe will begin to line up circumstances, opportunities. It'll start lining up those synchronicities for you to see. The possibilities really are endless. Change your focus to unconditional love and peace and compassion and harmony. Whatever you focus on grows. So make sure you're always focusing on something positive and something that's going to benefit you and others around you. Unconditional love and peace are our natural state. That is who we truly are at a core level. The goal is always to be returning back to that. That is who we naturally are. As you focus on returning back to that unconditional love and compassion, then others around you will do the same, and you will build up that collective consciousness. Become the most positive and enthusiastic, optimistic person that you know. This is going to raise your vibration in a powerful way and start to bring more circumstances to your experience that you prefer. If you're going around constantly putting out positive, putting out more positive, there's no way that the universe can reflect negative to you. It's a universal law. You're always being given a reflection of how you feel on the inside and the things that you believe to be true. So if you always keep it positive, you always stay the most generous, kind, authentic person that you know, the universe will reflect that back to you in a huge way. So in conclusion, remember that the best thing that you can do to be a benefit to this world is to heal yourself, work on self-healing, always put positive energy out, always be your authentic self, focus on compassion and love and peace and harmony, and encouraging others around you to do the same. The more you raise your consciousness and your awareness, the more you are raising the collective consciousness of everyone. And there is a huge awakening coming in the very near future. There are people all over waking up, people that you never would have thought would be into some of this stuff on my channel. They are waking up, and it's going to be amazing. So trust your journey, trust your intuition, be looking out for those synchronicities and those opportunities that the universe will provide to you, and just continue to put out positive energy, kindness, generosity out into the universe any way you can, and always help people even if you know they can't help you back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know someone who would benefit from it, please share. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.